Hello, I'm Kelly Jo. Welcome to Food Allergy BFF, the #1 place bringing you tips and tricks, inspiration, information, and recipes to make friends with your food allergies. I am so happy you're here. Please take a moment to browse around and check out some of the videos or look through some of the recipes. And if you'd like, please join my FAB Food Allergy Bestie community and let's connect. I made this website. I created Food Allergy BFF because I completely understand the overwhelm of having a family member with food allergies or raising children with food allergies. I have 3 children of my own, and I know that it's a struggle, especially when you are first diagnosed, and it's a whole new world to explore, and the emotional roller coaster, the ups, the downs. I get it, and I want it to be a source of inspiration, a sounding board for friends, and basically I want to be there with you along your journey and just to help you to make friends with your food allergies. So if you're with me, please join the community, and I'm so happy you're here.